I'm hungry.
My name is Shauna. I'm going to be babysitting for the first time. Alani is my niece. She's not like regular 4-year-old. She's a character.
My booty's sticking up. Got a veggie.
I'm feeling excited, scared, because Alani is just different. She's a lot of work. I don't want her to throw a tantrum because then I probably won't know how to handle that. Yeah, I don't want her to break anything. She is very energetic. Kind of easier to babysit her because the more energy she uses, the easier it's gonna be to put her to sleep. I don't really think it's a big step in my life. It's just watching the child and making sure they're safe when their parents get back. I don't want her to think of me as the mean or a crazy babysitter, just like the weird one. Hi, I'm gonna babysit you today. Come over here, Lani. You want a color?
Yeah! Can I go drawing?
Yes. Erase it. Are you okay? You don't go on like that, it could break.
Uh-oh.
What? Alani, stop throwing stuff.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Huh?
What do you want to eat?
I would eat milk.
Let's go downstairs to get some milk. Ooh, careful. Let's go.
This is how you say thank you in Spanish. We all got to pray for our food. So put your head down.
Okay.
And I'll put my head down. And then
you say it. Say it.
No, I won't say it. I said it last time. Thank you for my food. Thank you for my drinks. I love how you love Father, God, and Jesus.
Is it good?
I don't want the chicken.
When I was feeding her, she didn't want to eat. She wanted to go straight back upstairs to play.
So I'm ready to go to bed.
You gotta finish first and then go
My
to bed
tummy's
after.
full.
Finish your food and then go to bed. Okay? You're not even drinking it. Okay, let's go upstairs and put you to bed.
What about these? Can I have one more plain tea and then I go to bed?
After.
Oh, come on. Please.
Jammies first. Okay?
Please.
Jammies.
No. Now pajamas.
No, you need your pajamas.
No.
Okay, you got preschool tomorrow.
No.
You want your friends to miss you?
No.
You're not being good.
Okay, fine. Downstairs.
I didn't know why she wanted to run out the room. I don't know why she did it.
Goldie.
Is he hiding? I think she wanted to play more. Alani, do you want to wear your Vampirina pajamas?
No.
You don't want to wear them?
Yes. Wait. I want now. Ooh.
You like that color?
Huh? Green is my favorite color.
It is?
Uh-huh.
I thought it was pink.
Pink is my favorite too. And purple, and gray, and red. Can I put on you?
Sure.
Or a scary one?
Yeah.
Oh, let me put some on you because you messed it up a little bit. Oh my gosh. You look pretty. Can I see your teeth?
No. Don't be your eyes.
I want to do my eyeshadow.
You can't do eyeshadow with this. Ready for bed?
Yeah.
It got hard to get her to stop playing or do what she was supposed to do instead of just making up whatever she wanted to do.
You know what? I'm hungry.
Let me see. Let me see it.
No.
Come here, let me see
No.
it. Lani, I want to start over babysitting for the first time, but with a different child. A quieter, calm one that listens.
Okay, I will go to bed.
Okay, come lay down. Lay with your unicorn. Want to read a story?
Uh-huh. No.
Yes or no?
Yeah. 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 I want to read it myself.
Okay. Through this.
No, I do it.
You know it?
Through the snow.
She didn't want to go to sleep. She wanted more stories.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ow. No hitting, Lonnie. That's bad, remember? You can go on timeout for that.
No.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Good night, Lonnie.
Good night, Chana.
I just got done babysitting Alani, and it was exhausting. Her doing my makeup was fun. Yeah, it was kind of funny when she put the lipstick on me. She tried to get it all over my face. The hardest part was getting Alani to cooperate. She didn't want to do what she was supposed to do. If I brought more structured games, then she would have something to focus on. She'd probably calm down while she's thinking. I'll do that next time. Get help, like just get somebody to help you babysit. Don't do it by yourself. It's your first time with somebody like Alani. Thank you for coming along with me in my first time babysitting. For more videos like this, subscribe to 17's YouTube channel. Now that I'm done babysitting, I'm going to go home and sleep.